yeah, 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 yeah. Yeah, yeah. Ooh. Oh. Welcome to The Gathering, conversations that build community. You see, community does not weaken overnight. It fades slowly when structure is ignored and conversations stops. We've inherited faith, we've inherited resilience, we've inherited institutions built with vision and sacrifice. But legacy must be stewarded, not assumed. This is a space where faith meets culture, where leadership meets responsibility, and where conversation becomes construction. We are not here for noise. We are here for clarity. We are here to think, to question, to organize, to rebuild. Because strong communities do not happen by accident. They require vision. They require structure. They require intentional dialogue. So if you care about faith, leadership, education, economics, and generational strength, you belong at this table. Let's get started. Take a seat. The gathering begins now.